Namaste dosto. Today, let's embark on an exciting journey into the world of quant mutual funds in India, the new share in the jungle of investments. These funds are not just your regular mutual funds, they're driven by algorithms and data analysis. So, are you ready to dive deep and understand what makes these funds tick? Chalo, let's get started. What are quant mutual funds and how are they different? तो पहली बात तो ये है दोस्तों कि quant mutual funds are not your run-of-the-mill funds. They are the tech-savvy players in the investment world, managed not by people but by complex computer models. Matlab, here it's all about hardcore number crunching and algorithms. In the heart of India's bustling financial markets, these funds choose stocks not by intuition but based on quantitative analysis. They meticulously analyze data, spot trends, and decipher patterns, making decisions that are rooted in hard facts and figures. Soch lo, it's like having a super smart AI dost who tirelessly works 24/7, sifting through mountains of data to pick the best stocks for your portfolio. And this friend doesn't get tired or emotional. Now let's dive into kaise ye funds are different from your traditional mutual funds. Sabse bada difference. While regular funds are guided by human expertise and experience, quant funds are ruled by data and statistical models. Yahan, emotions take a backseat or data drives the decisions. These funds are designed to outperform the market by leveraging historical data and complex statistical models. In simple words, they try to do what traditional funds do, but with a lot of more data-driven precision and less guesswork. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि traditional funds are any less, but quant funds bring a whole new flavor to the table. So if you're someone who loves data and technology, then these funds might just be your cup of tea. Is regulation of quant mutual funds any different? जब बात आती है regulation की, quant mutual funds in India are under the watchful eyes of SEBI, just like their traditional counterparts. मतलब they are not the wild horses of the investment world. They follow the same rules set by SEBI. लेकिन since quant mutual funds ka game is based on advanced computer models and algorithms, SEBI has extra vigilance on them. They must adhere to specific disclosure norms that are more stringent, ensuring that the fund's operations are as transparent as they can be. Or let's not forget the role of the fund manager in this tech-savvy scenario. Unlike traditional funds where the fund manager is the hero, in quant funds the manager's role is more of a tech guru. He's the one who develops, monitors and fine-tunes the algorithms that make all the investment decisions. तो ये मत सोचो कि it's all robots and no humans. The fund manager's expertise and understanding of market dynamics are crucial. They ensure that the algorithms are not just following data blindly, but are also aligned with the ever-changing market realities. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि it's fully automated. The fund manager's insights and experience play a significant role in shaping these models. They are the ones who decide what data goes into the algorithm or kaise it should be interpreted. So in a way, it's a melange of human intelligence and machine efficiency. So dosto, while quant mutual funds may seem like a tech-driven wonder behind the scenes, it's a balanced act between human ingenuity and algorithmic precision. ये fund managers की expertise के बिना अधूरे हैं. How are quant mutual funds supposed to be analyzed? Analysis of quant mutual funds is a bit hatke. It's not just about looking at the fund manager's decisions, but understanding the models and algorithms behind them. Investors को देखना चाहिए fund's historical performance, the robustness of its model, and how it performs in different market conditions. तो दोस्तों, quant mutual funds with their unique approach and data-driven strategies are a fascinating option for the tech-savvy investor. Remember, investing in these funds requires a good understanding of how they work, तो research करना ना भूले before diving in. If you like this video, then do like and share. Do let us know in the comments below कि आपको धन के म्यूचुअल फंड सीरीज में क्या नए टॉपिक्स देखने हैं. Until next time, happy investing.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.